Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove gift card from Starbucks app, right? So it's very easy to do it. You have to just make sure you log in into your Starbucks mobile application here, and beside that you will find this option which is called pay. So just click on this pay, and here you will find all the cards, right? So if you have any card for gift card, so it will show here. If I just click on view my all cards, so here it will show you all my cards here, right? So for example, right now I have only this card, right, which is the classic one. But if you have any other card, you can just select that card, right? So for example, it's very easy to remove. You guys have to tap on this profile icon which is on the top right, and once you're here you will get this option of other payment modes. So just select here, and if you have any save cards, just you will get a menu bar where you can just tap on it and you can just remove it instantly, right? It's very easy to do it, and by the way it will also show here in the Starbucks pay 2, which I have showed you already. So this is how you can just remove. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.